Yo, what up, gang? Booba617. Welcome back to the channel. So if you already read the description, which you obviously did, read the title. Today, we received a jump starter pack from Amazon. The name of it is Next Power, pretty much Next Power. That's probably what they're trying to put together there. Point is, what we're doing today is we're gonna unbox it, review it, and actually try it out on my 370Z Nismo. So let's do that right now. So I already took it out of the Amazon box that it came in, and this is what you get. And this is how small it is. Like if you take a look at my hand next to it, it's a pretty small power pack compared to the ones that I'm used to, which are the shop ones, which are humongous. So that's the only thing that worries me. You know, you got these humongous ones that the shops use, and you got this tiny little thing, little battery pack. Is it gonna be enough to start a full-size vehicle? To be determined. We're gonna do that today. All right, let's start taking this apart. Obviously, it's a lot harder doing this with one hand, but we get it. All right, so we got this. Supposedly vehicle, motorcycle, yacht, and watercrafts. Okay, this little pack. A lot of promise. Gives you a little bit of instructions on how to work it. And this is from Amazon. This is about $50 plus tax. Let's see what's in the box. All right. Some notes. No one cares about that. All right. Look at the battery pack itself. It's even smaller than, obviously, because it's in a box. But look how small this thing is. Like it's. I mean, look at this is my phone. Like, look how small it is next to an iPhone 11 Pro. Not even a Max, just a normal Pro. So around the same size. That's wild. And this thing is supposed to start a dead battery in a car. Bueno. Let's see. So we got a few bars. I'm going to plug it in to the wall to fill it up to make sure before we take it to the car. Let's see, so it has this little thing here. This is where the connectors go in. I got two USB ports, USB-C, and a flashlight. How to use the flashlight? I don't even know. I might have to read the instructions for that. I don't see no extra buttons. This is the only button that I see. Anyways, let's see what else comes in the box. Oh, that's it. Comes with the connectors to plug into the car, and then the power wire with no brick. Luckily, I got a bunch of bricks laying around, so I just use that. All right, guys, so I figured out how to turn the flashlight. All you do is you long press the button, and it comes on. Right, and then if you click it once, it starts flashing, emergency flash, and then use long press again to turn it off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go charge this thing. Once it's charged, we're gonna go plug it into the car, see if it actually works. All right, guys, so I'm currently on my way to the Z now. Now, my 370Z Nismo has not been driven in over a month. I've been working on a bunch of different projects, and it's been involving this vehicle because there's more space. So the goal is to start it with this little battery pack that's yay size. Now let me tell you, when the Z has died in the past, I've jumped it with the X5, and it definitely took some time. So I had to plug it in, wait, sit there for it to charge a little bit, and then it'll turn on. So that's why I'm a little skeptical about this little battery pack. We'll see. All right, so we got to the Z. So y'all could see that that my battery is currently not working. I'm gonna try to start the car. All right, let's see. Pressing the clutch. Yeah, look at all these masks I got. Damn COVID. Anyways, pushing the clutch. And nothing. All right, guys. guys, let's try this. Let's try to see if this pack actually works. All right, I'm just gonna follow their instructions to the T. First, it says connect the connector to the car battery. Then those same connectors connect the other end to the battery pack. Then start your car and then unplug. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Take the wires out of the box really quick. All right, so positive, negative, and then I'm gonna plug it in here. And that's supposed to be it. Right now it's at 4 bars, so that's full charge. Let's see if it works. Nothing yet. It's beeping. I'm not sure what that means. Guys, so you know what? It did it. This little thing did it, and it's still at 4, pretty much fully charged. Wow, I'm impressed. This little tiny battery did that. $50 on Amazon. Not bad. And now I have a portable battery pack for charging my phone and things like that. Why not, man? Absolutely recommend it. Start it right up. Wow, I'm impressed. Time to go for a joyride. Why not? Let's do this. So guys, do I recommend this little beast right here? Yes, absolutely. It's a must for anybody that has a vehicle, period. I don't care. It's a must. And you might be asking yourself why I say that about anyone with a vehicle. Why not? Think about this. Low profile, small profile, inexpensive. You get it in a couple days from Amazon. I mean, it could literally save your butt one day. It's almost like an insurance, like an emergency type thing. You could have it in your crib, stored, and then one day you need it, you plug it in, charge it up, and your car is good to go. Like if your battery ever dies, and you can just carry it with you. You know what I'm saying? I think it's something to have, just something to have, along with like a air compressor for your wheels. Grab one of these, $50. And with that said, if you like car content, you know I got the X5 M Sport. You know I got the 370Z Nismo. You know I do videos on those vehicles, install videos, how-tos, reviews, unboxings, whole bunch of car stuff. If you like the content, make sure you follow, subscribe, like, let me know. Boo 617. We out.